Still.
And putting in your compost pile eggshells.
Eggshells. So this is a really...
Well, put eggshells underneath the tomato plant. I mean, I understand some of you do these things because you are not aware that it doesn't work.
So eggshells, here's the theory, is that you take your eggshells, you let them dry a little bit, and then you crunch them up in your hand, and you toss them. A lot of times it usually involves tomato plants. You toss them around the tomato plants, and it's supposed to fix all of your problems.
But I pulverize them into a powder and then put them at the bottom of the hole.
You could do that too, but you need a bunch of eggshells.
And it takes, yes, the smaller the particle, the quicker the egg mechanics of the egg will break down. However, the level of calcium that's in an eggshell is minute to what a plant would be required to have to supplement what may be missing out of your soil. In addition, the egg shell and the nutrients involved in that eggshell can take 12 to 18 months to actually break down to it's turned into soil and the nutrient has been released and now is in the soil for a plant to uptake.
Right.
Put in the compost.
Put in the compost.
And if you've done these things, I understand. We're just trying to advise you not to do them next time so you have more time.
We did salt for a long time.
Yes.
For a long time.
Till we were educated.
So there's no shame in that. New information comes along. It's okay.
That's why we're here, to help you have more time doing other things than doing things that don't actually work or work to the level of what you may anticipate them doing because you've seen results online, and we can't always trust everything we see online.